Of these 36 postmortems, 18 of them were males, while 17 were female. One of them, because of the deterioration of the body, we are unable to state the gender. There was a total of 23 adults and 10 children, and 3 of them also, because of deterioration, we are unable to state the gender. As per the condition of the bodies, one of the person we did autopsy on was a fresh body, because he's someone who died in the ward last night. And it's a person who actually had been recovered at the scene yesterday, and he was in a very bad state. He was having features of dehydration and was also having features of starvation. So he died at night, and when we did an autopsy on him, one of the things that we saw on him is like he was also very sick because he had tuberculosis. So what killed him was tuberculosis in addition to those starvation and dehydration.